How to download WhatsApp call history on iPhone. Open the WhatsApp app on your device. For example, this particular chat is what I want to download. You may have other chat on your device. Now take a look at this chat as Susanna. So tap back here now. Go ahead and tap on the button here where you see you here. Tap on it on your iPhone. Then here you have access to this place. Go ahead and tap on chat. Now once you tap on chat, you have access to what is called export chats from the option here. Tap on export chat. Once you tap on export chat, you have a lot of options here because I have to one I want to download, which is this one that says Susanna. Tap on it. Once you tap on that button, if you have a bigger file, it's going to come out like this. Attaching media will generate a larger chat archive. So we are going to do that with the media. Tap on attach media. Now wait for a few seconds for this to download. Now it has downloaded in zip format file. Now you have to save this file in a specific place. So let me scroll, and you can save to mail, you can save to message, you can save as file. So I want to save it to note. Tap on this button that says note. Once tap on button that says note, then provide your face ID. Then it comes out like this. Now take a look at the name here. WhatsApp chat Susanna. Then tap on save. That has been saved successfully. Now let's close this page and let's go and open the note app on our device. Tap on it and open it. Now provide your face ID to unlock this. Now you have it that says Susanna chat. Then tap on it and open it. Once tap on it, it's going to open like this in a zip format. Then tap on it again to open. Then go ahead and tap on preview. This file is about 15.7 megabytes. Tap on preview button. Then provide your face ID, guys. You have access to whatever thing you save on that file. So that is the process, guys, on how to download WhatsApp call history on iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.